Hi guys, have you ever struggled with a wobbly tape measure that bends and snaps when you are trying to measure a room? Measuring spaces can be a huge hassle. Welcome back to Triplezon. Today we have an amazing tool that makes measuring totally effortless. Let's get started. Taking accurate measurements is a critical part of almost any home improvement project, construction job, or simple DIY task around the house. Using an old-fashioned tape measure often requires two people, and it can be incredibly frustrating to get exact numbers when the tape keeps bending or slipping. That is exactly why the Nohawk KL01 digital laser distance meter is such a massive game-changer for your toolkit. The Nohawk KL01 completely simplifies all of your measurement tasks, giving you amazing accuracy and total ease directly in the palm of your hand. Instead of pulling out a long, sharp metal tape and hoping it stays straight, you simply point a precise laser and get your exact distance in a matter of seconds. It is a truly brilliant piece of technology that will instantly upgrade how you plan and execute your daily work. When you are working hard on a demanding project, the last thing you want is a bulky tool that is difficult to hold and operate. The Nohawk KL01 digital laser distance meter features a beautifully crafted ergonomic design to prevent exactly that. It is built with a highly compact form that fits so naturally and comfortably into the palm of your hand. Because it is remarkably lightweight and smartly shaped, you can hold it and use it for extended periods without experiencing any annoying hand fatigue. This thoughtful construction allows you to operate the device with complete confidence and total convenience across various tricky work environments. Plus, it features a crystal-clear digital display right on the front of the unit. This bright, illuminated screen provides very quick and completely hassle-free readouts, even in poorly lit rooms. You never have to guess the distance or squint to count tiny lines like you do on a regular traditional ruler. The digital display shows your final numbers loudly and clearly, greatly enhancing your overall efficiency in both demanding professional jobs and simple personal projects. Of course, the most important part of any measuring tool is how exact it is. Accuracy is truly a defining characteristic of the Nohawk KL01. This amazing device delivers incredibly precise measurements with a tiny margin of error of just 0.001 meters. That level of precision ensures you always get highly reliable results for tasks that demand perfectly exact dimensions. If your measurements are wrong, your entire project can be ruined. Whether you are working in heavy construction, planning some precise interior design, or just doing fun DIY projects in your garage, this device consistently provides dependable readings. You can trust the Nohawk KL01 to give you the exact numbers you need to cut materials perfectly the very first time. Another incredibly useful feature of the Nohawk KL01 digital laser distance meter is how it gets its power. Traditional measuring devices often use tiny disposable batteries that always seem to die right when you need them most. The Nohawk KL01 completely eliminates that frustrating problem because it is powered by a built-in rechargeable system. You never have to worry about running to the store for constant battery replacements. You just plug it in, charge it up, and you are ready for continuous operation. This fantastic feature makes it a highly practical choice for anyone who requires consistent performance without any annoying interruptions. It is always ready to go when you are, giving you maximum portability on the job site. We all have different needs when it comes to measuring, and Nohawk understands that completely. To meet all of your diverse measuring requirements, the Nohawk KL01 is available in multiple range options. You can choose a model that measures up to 30 meters, 50 meters, or even 60 meters. This outstanding flexibility allows you to select the exact model that best suits your specific personal needs. If you are mostly working in smaller indoor spaces like bedrooms and kitchens, the 30-meter option is absolutely perfect. If you are doing larger outdoor applications like landscaping or big commercial construction, the 60-meter model gives you that incredible extended reach. No matter which one you choose, you are getting a highly capable tool. Are you ready to throw away that old tape measure and make your projects easier than ever? Check the price link in the description to get your hands on this fantastic tool today. Please make sure to like and subscribe to Triplezon for more awesome product videos. Thank you so much for tuning in, and we will see you next time.